Hey y'all, I'm going to be sharing some pages from this digital printable paper kit. This kit is available over on Ko-fi.com from a lady who is in France, and her shop is called Digital Papers by Croc'odile. And I will link everything below if you are watching my YouTube channel. There will be a few things that I will link below in the comments if you are watching this on TikTok. It is spelled crocodile, kind of, but pronounced crocodile. And her name is Odile Brochier. Now, the name of this kit that I will be using from her is called Alors on Danse, which translates to So We Dance. And they're all these gorgeous ladies with music, notes, and images in the background. And this is a guest design team project for her. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to be making, so we'll see how this goes. But I did want to go ahead and show this kit just in case you guys were interested. And right now I do have a code that I will link below for 40% off of anything in her shop through June the 16th. So if you're looking for some papers that you haven't found anywhere else, or looking for something like this, go over and check out this kit, because I did not print the entire kit. There are quite a few pages, and all of these ladies are a little bit different. Some of them even have different shoes, like hers are white, hers are black. There are some with ballet slippers. And then there are these fussy cut ladies, so you can fussy cut these out. For her, you could add layers of laces or papers to complete her dress. These I printed a little bit smaller. These I printed how they came in the file. These I printed smaller. Very, very pretty images. So I'll be working with these, and if you've been watching me for very long, you know that I do enjoy making black and white journals. More than likely I will be starting with these fussy cut ladies and making something with them. Okay, so thanks for watching, y'all. As I said, I will link all this information below, and if you're interested in taking advantage of that coupon code, please go and do so.